Hey guys, today we're going to do a review of the 221 WAGO lever nut connectors. This is a set of 75, and I've had this set for almost a year now. You can see I've used most of the two connectors, the two lever nut connectors. It comes with the 3 lever nut connectors and also the 5 lever nut connectors. There's 25 of each. Like I said, the most popular ones I use are the 2-position ones. I'll show you real quick how easy it is. You just pop the lever open, stick your wire right in, and you pop it down, and that's a nice secure connection. It's not going to come out. It's not going to twist out. It's in there nice and solid. These are UL approved and ready for use. I'll include some pictures below of situations and boxes I've used them in. They're so small and they're so handy. Thank you.